Hello.
Oh.
What's happening?
I'm not ahead.
What about shite?
Not telling you.
How?
Cunt. Were you at Annie's land today?
Was that Annie's land?
Aye.
No, how?
Some cunt put my fucking wee cups on my fucking highway. My tyre, my wheels. My few butterflies.
But could you no drive it?
Ah, no, it's wee. You know how the wee things you can clip on your bike? Like for wee lasses, like get my wee butterfly things and all that crap. Fucking some cunt turn off the remote with my two wheels.
Oh, that's funny.
Mate, I've fucking bought some of them ways to show you.
Fuck's sake, man. Wait, did you drive him or that?
No, I took it up right and I just seen them. I was like, what the fuck are these, man? And I seen them. You know how the mad wire bits on your tyre?
Aye, the spokes.
Aye, them, the mad spinner things. There's these fucking butterfly cups on all of them.
Butterfly clips. What are butterfly clips?
What?
What are butterfly clips?
I don't know what fucking thing to make look like real asses, like, I don't know.
What, the ribbons?
No, they're just like wee cups. You can put on them.
Alright. How many was there?
Ah, fuck no, I own every single one of them, I think, generally, in both piles.
What colour were they?
Fucking pink, purple, fucking yellow and all that. Pink and all that shit.
What's that,
I fucking hammered them. I was sitting there for about 5 minutes taking them off.
What did you do with them?
Oh, fuck them, I'm still sitting in the morning and car park.
You get in trouble for that, Stephen. Who do you think done it?
Fucking use your bitch.